Black holes have pores and they evaporate. Here's a surprising fact: although a black hole may appear to be a perfect sphere of darkness, in energy filament theory, that outer shell is actually leaking gas. What mainstream physics calls the event horizon is, in this view, an outer critical layer stretched to its absolute limit. This is known as the pore skin. It's not a simple boundary line, but a membrane stretched thin like a soap bubble on the verge of popping. Have you ever blown a soap bubble? When it's inflated to the maximum, the surface tightens and shimmers, ready to burst at the slightest poke. The black hole's outer critical layer is in a similar, though more extreme, state. Why does it leak? Because it's stretched so tightly. Deeper layers, like the piston shell, are breathing, while the boiling core churns and the shredding belt continually tears particles apart, converting them into energy filaments. These tension waves hit the outer critical layer in waves, like someone constantly poking the inside of a soap bubble with a finger. The bubble doesn't burst immediately but opens briefly, releasing a little pressure before closing again. The black hole's outer critical layer behaves similarly. Pores momentarily open to release a small amount of pressure, only to close up again at a timescale that's hard to fathom. When the pore opens, it's like a high-pressure valve hissing briefly, and when it closes, it returns to its nearly perfect black ring shape. These pores are not damage, they're the black hole's stabilizing mechanism. Without them, it would be like a pressure cooker with no escape valve. It would eventually explode. Large black holes have pores like slow, steady deep-sea bubbles. Small black holes are more like popping popcorn, fast and chaotic. From a distance, it seems still, but the outer edge is the busiest part of the four-layer structure. The reason black holes can stabilize themselves is due to this outer skin that continuously exhales small amounts of gas. Next, we'll discuss the piston layer of black holes, what gives black holes their emotions, rhythms, and temperament. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.